Good morning, everybody. Hi, how you doing? I'm Gwenna, the Sunflower Flipper on YouTube, Facebook, and eBay. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you all are ready for Christmas. It's only a couple days away. Last night we had our Christmas here at the house, so we had a really good time. A lot of grandkids. I bought some things. I went to Junk in the Trunk and the DAV and bought some items that I'm going to share with you that I'll be listing. Some of the items have already been listed, so you can check out my store. So let's get started. We have this, it's a tile, it's an Oda Gary, 1980, no, Oda Gary, 1982. It's marked on the back. Isn't that pretty? This is already listed. It's Arabia, made in Finland. It's a butterfly. It's probably a syrup. It's a small pitcher, syrup pitcher. This is listed. Isn't this cute? Got a heart with a little bird in it. And this was bought out in Lindsberg, so I'd say this is a Swedish item. This wooden Santa Claus, I listed him, so you can check him out. This is a Tony Lama leather belt buckle. It's a vintage, it's made in the United States. Don't you like my fingernails? My granddaughter and I went and got our nails done. This I picked up at Junk in the Trunk. It's a double candle holder and it's china or porcelain. And this is Rosenthal, Germany. That's a rare find. This guy picked up, it's a robin. Look, his flower. Picked up these sock boots. I'll be listing those. I haven't listed them yet. Sock boots sell really well. These are men's leather boots. They are American Eagle. Let me see if they have a size. Size 11. A hiking boot. I'm going to be listing 2 pair of lace-up vintage women's cowboy boots. They're both leather. I'll have to measure them to get the size because you can't see. These you can see. These are Laredos. They're 8.5 mediums. So I think I bought these at the same place, so they're probably the same size. I picked up a vintage basket. Isn't that cute? And I picked up 2 baskets. They're stacking baskets. They're new with tags. They're wire baskets. Okay, let me bring up this box. I did a video at the Junk in the Trunk, and I somehow hit the fast forward button, so the video didn't turn out. So I guess I'll have to show you, instead of shopping with me at the Junk in the Trunk, you're going to shop with me here. This is a Royal Copley planner. Isn't that pretty? It's got a bird in it. This is a Heritage handmade by Smith. This is a moon and stars. On the side here has stars and moons. And it's footed. Pretty green. I have never seen one of these before. I thought it was pretty cool. It's a pipe holder. A vintage pipe holder. It's got a, looks like a sheep. This little thing here is a little bit loose, but not bad. Isn't that cute? This is Hull, USA, for number 425. It's a pretty planner. Then we have a blue and white chicken, or rooster, I'm sorry. I don't know if this is Delft. It's marked underneath. I'll have to look up the marking, but he's pretty heavy. Then we have a Fenton basket. It's pink and it's got thumbprints. Pretty basket. And I got a set of vintage candlestick holders. They have a diamond pattern on the side. They have clear bottoms. Candlestick holders. This I couldn't pass up because I thought it was so cute. It's got a piece of string on it. It's a heavy metal poodle for earrings, earring holder. Isn't that cute? This is really cool. It's a paperweight, but it's in the form of a sheep. And it's handmade. It's the Scottish Borders is the brand. I looked these up. These can go for several $100s. Isn't he adorable? Then I got a set of 4 glasses. They have different birds on them. This one is a goldfinch. We have 2 bluebirds. And we have an oriole. Isn't that pretty? It's a set of 4. Let me put this box out of the way here. I'll show you some clothes that I have listed. This is a Miss Me New with Tag size medium women's top. It's got embroidery. Let's see if I can make my arm work. Got long sleeves, it's lightweight, and it's split in the back up the middle. Let's see if I can get that to show. See, it's split halfway up the back. Then we have a men's Merino Bay heavy cotton vest. It's got Sherpa lining, great for outdoors work. It's a size medium. Then we have a pair of New with Tags men's casual slacks. They're navy blue, and this is the name on them. Lululemon. I don't know, it's hard to pronounce. But it's a very nice brand. They're 34 tall. They have more of a straight leg. There's the back. Has pockets. Then we have a Relax by Lynn Ritchie. It's a women's vest. It's got a hood. Black and white, zip front, and it is a size medium. Then we have a heavy vest by Woolrich, I think. Yes, Woolrich. This is a wool women's vest, black and white, black and gray plaid. Zip front, size extra large. Then we have Saddlebred, size large, color is blue, and it's a men's lightweight vest. It's a Western vest. I have this pair of Bernie coveralls. They're men's outdoor coveralls. Let me stand up back here. Hold on. And they are a size medium regular 40-42. And they are in, excuse me, let me get my chair. They are in very nice condition. They're insulated. They have quilted insulation inside. We have a turkey planter, and it says USA on the back. This was really cute. It's a wooden holder, and this is all handcrafted glass. It's got an applied handle in blue. And it's missing one of the cups, but it's got 3 cups. They're little tiny cups. Okay, let me see. Here, one more thing here I'll show you. It's a Viewmaster in the box. It's in nice condition. Remember those as kids? Little clicker works. So there are some of the things that I have listed or will be listing on eBay. Sunflower Flipper. And I hope everybody has an awesome Christmas and gets something that they love. Take a little time to enjoy the view. Life is good. Bye.